Welcome to Mind Fuel, your daily practice of turning insight into inner strength. Today's meditation is based on Habit 6, Synergize, from the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, focusing on creating synergy, the idea that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Let's begin. Sitting comfortably, close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill completely. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension from your body. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded and present in this moment. As you continue to breathe deeply, let go of any distractions or thoughts from the day. Simply focus on the breath. Now, bring your awareness to the concept of synergy, the idea that when we work together, combining our strengths and perspectives, the results are far greater than if we were to work alone. This is a collaborative energy that multiplies effectiveness and creativity, unlocking new possibilities. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine yourself entering a space of cooperation and unity. Imagine you're in a group or team setting. It could be with colleagues, friends, or family. Visualize the different individuals in this group, each with unique skills, perspectives, and strengths. See how these differences come together in harmony, like pieces of a puzzle that fit perfectly. Now, imagine that together you're tackling a challenge or goal. Each person contributes their strengths, and the synergy created by this collaboration leads to creative solutions, new ideas, and possibilities that none of you could have achieved on your own. Feel the energy of cooperation flowing between you and the others. It's a force of unity, trust, and shared purpose. In this space, differences are celebrated and combined to create something far greater than what would have been possible individually. As you breathe in and out, feel the power of synergy filling the space around you. The energy is vibrant and dynamic. Each person's contributions enhancing the whole, creating solutions and outcomes that surpass expectations. There is a deep sense of mutual respect, trust, and openness. You are part of a greater whole, and together you create something powerful. Now, let's reinforce this sense of collaboration and synergy with a simple mantra. As you continue to breathe deeply, repeat the following mantra in your mind. Together, we create something greater. Together, we create something greater. Together, we create something greater. With each breath, let this mantra resonate in your heart and mind. Feel the truth of it, that when we combine our unique strengths and work together, we unlock a potential far greater than we could ever achieve alone. Together, we create something greater. Let this mantra inspire you to approach all your interactions with the spirit of collaboration and openness. As you slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment, take a deep breath in and feel the unity and connection of the group still present in your energy. Exhale slowly, letting go of any remaining tension, and bring your attention back to your surroundings. As you prepare to continue your day, carry with you the spirit of synergy, knowing that together you can create something greater, achieve more, and bring out the best in everyone around you. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling refreshed and energized. When you're ready, open your eyes and move forward with the understanding that collaboration leads to infinite possibilities